Hello, welcome back year 9. It's good to have you here. Yesterday we discussed how we're creating a function to do some pretty sophisticated arithmetic and maths, and to get an output from that to get you information and to create a function that's usable again, so that if you've got things like maths problems or equations you have to work out later on in your career, you've got some code that you can adapt to use for that. Now, today we're going to extend that. We're going to talk about Boolean logic. So a Boolean operator says something's true or false. It's either or. And what we're going to do is use Boolean logical operators to determine whether something's true or false based on certain criteria. So today what we're going to do is to extend the swimming pool analogy from your worksheet and look at how we can use Boolean logical operators with integers, with floats, and bring that into code to show you how you can use that usefully. So let's move over to our REPL. Okay, so looking at some code in relation to the worksheet I sent you on Microsoft Teams, here we have a value that we're trying to enter and then work some Boolean logic with arithmetic on the value. So what we've got is the value, we enter the value, we just designate that as an integer from the outset, and then we iterate through it looking at the value that we're given. So if the value is greater than or equal to 10 and the value is less than or equal to 20, we want to add 1 milliliter of chlorine. Else if the value is greater than 20, please add 2 ml of chlorine. If it's neither, if it's not greater than 20, if it's not between 10 and 20, it will be less than 20. Therefore, we don't need to add anything. Okay? So, this is almost but not quite what you need to know for your homework worksheet. So, let's give it a run. So, if value equals 5, no need to add anything. Value is 12, we'll need to add 1 ml of chlorine. But if the value is 21, it'll add 2 ml of chlorine. So, the first one is less than 10, definitely less than 20, so no need to add anything. The second was between 10 and 20, so it was greater than 10, it was less than 20, so we added 1 ml of chlorine. The third goes to the elif, the value is greater than 20, it's 21, please add 2 ml of chlorine. So, start with this, and then add this to code to add to your worksheet to determine how you would do this and what you would print out if the value is greater than 20. So in your worksheet, you know that on a daily basis, the average of children shouldn't be greater than 20. So how would you adjust this so that the code would tell you you've had too many children in the pool, you need to back off of that. When you've got the answer and you can run it in your REPL, share that with me. That's repl.it at Mr. Ali, as it shows you on the screen. So share that with me. Let me know how you would do that. Add it to your worksheet, and then share that with me on OneDrive. Thanks very much. We'll have something for you next week. Cheers.